So you found this keyword recipe planner inside of Amazon. It's got a 51 on the keyword niche score, SPT, Self-Publishing Titans, Chrome extension. You scroll down through here, you like what you see, you're coming up with some good ideas, you want to create an interior, and you want to do it all inside of Canva, but you don't know exactly where to start when it comes to matching the interiors that you see in here, and you want to get it done rather quickly, and we'll just say rather simply, or we might even say easily. So what are you going to do to create this type of journal or planner inside of Canva? Let's pop over to Creative Fabrica, find a done-for-you KDP interior for a recipe planner of 200 pages, and you're going to download this because it comes in these formats: JPEG, PDF, AI, and EPS. Don't worry if you don't know what all those are. Only focus on the fact that you just need the JPEG file. You click the download button, it downloads a zip file. You open up that zip file. It creates a folder. You open up that folder. You see a .ai. You see two JPEGs. You see an EPS and a PDF. You have two JPEG files because these are the two files that you're going to use to create the journal that you see right here. Recipes for brunch, which is a combination of breakfast and lunch. Scroll down, you're going to put a heading on each one of these. Breakfast and lunch is brunch, and it's going to have a top list, the date, the ingredients, and the cooking process. So you want to create this, save it as a PDF, to upload it to KDP to sell as a journal. Pop over to your free Canva account, select Create Design, Custom Size, it's an 8.5 by 11 journal. You're going to go to Uploads. You're simply going to click Upload Media from your device. You're going to find that folder, and you're going to upload JPEG 02 and 01. Then you're going to have those JPEGs right here, and you're simply going to add that to page 1. Simply make it nice and big to fit that 8.5 by 11. Add another page. Grab the second page, which is the recipe planner, or the place to write down the ingredients, the core of the planner or the journal or the notebook. And there you go. You have your 2 pages ready to start editing. And then you simply just start adding the elements. You add a box. You move that box, position it into a rectangle, change the color to white, add in some text, center that text, change the word to recipes, move down to the other page, add another box, move that box up, make it a nice rectangle across the page, change the color to white, add breakfast, lunch is brunch, and there you go. You have completely and totally edited and made a completely new journal recipe planner, and all you need to do at that point is come over, download PDF print quality, download all 2 pages. That file will download, you simply open it. There you have your first page, recipes, and your second page. Of course, you'll need to duplicate that page. So go back, simply select that page, and there's a button right here, duplicate. Duplicate, duplicate until your heart's content. 200 pages, 120 pages, however many pages you need. That is your journal. Again, you'll have all your pages. Come up to download, PDF print, print all your pages, download that. Come back to your research. Make sure you look at your research. Create a cover that's going to match here inside of recipe journals. Of course, your focus on your recipe planner, your recipe journal was brunch. So you have a nice little angle there. It makes it unique. It makes it different. It makes it something that will sell for people that are looking to keep track of the meals or the plans or the activities that they're doing when they have brunch. So keep doing your research. And of course, to do that, click on the video you see on the screen right now. Watch that for more research ideas. I'll see you in that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.